It's a pumpkin soup. It's with orange. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj showing you pumpkin and orange soup. It's butter and oil to begin the pumpkin soup. I'm going to add in onions, by sauteing the vegetables, the flavor of the soup increases. So I'm going to saute some pumpkin, now I can get a very good aroma. It's time to add water to it and some salt. I'm going to close in the lid and pressure cook until it becomes soft. I'll switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Now the cooker is cool enough. Now I'm going to grate some ginger and some orange zest. After adding the zest and the ginger, I would allow it to boil for 5 minutes. Now I'll switch off the flame and puree this. Add some more water and some pepper and some more salt. When this starts boiling, I'll switch it off, and while serving, I'm going to add in the orange juice to it. For this, I would prefer little tangier orange, which tastes good with this. Now I'll switch off the flame and add the orange juice. Now it's time to serve the soup. This is the yummy soup. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.